Alright, today I'm going to show you how to turn this AC power adapter from a camera or camcorder into a lithium-ion battery charger to charge RC batteries like these or any other RC batteries. So what I have here is a charger from a Sony camcorder, and it is for charging lithium-ion battery, and this is the battery pack. As you can see here, it is 7.2 volts and it is a lithium-ion battery, and this is a 2S battery pack. And I'll show you on the specs of the charger itself. It says output DC 8.4 volts, 1.7 amp. So 8.4 volts is exactly two of these in series, and each of these is 4.2 volts, so 8.4 volts is exactly these two in series. So this is going to be perfect for a 2S lithium-ion battery charger. And I have this lying around, so I figure I'll make something useful out of this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the wiring, cut the connector, and actually I already cut the connector, and you got these two. And let me plug it in and show you what we got here. So I don't touch anything to short this out. Alright, so let's see what we got here. You can see here 8.44 volts open circuit, so it's perfectly for a 2S lithium-ion battery charger. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to solder these two wires from the charger. Let me unplug this before I short this out. Solder the XT60 connector to the charger to charge my battery, and I'll show you the XT. These are the connector for RC batteries or any lithium-ion battery pack. And I'll show you, we got a set here, and we got a female here and a male connector. Okay, on this one here is a female connector, and that is a male connector. The female connector always goes to the battery pack. Okay, this goes to the battery pack. This one here is a male connector, which is gonna go to the charger. Right, so I'm gonna solder this connector to the charger, and then just gonna plug directly to my battery. To my battery pack. And you can use this to safely charge lithium-ion battery pack, because this charger itself is a controller board. It already has a controller board inside here. You can see here 1.7 amp DC output. So for a 2S lithium-ion battery pack, this is in parallel, by the way, but just imagine it is in series. So 2S lithium-ion battery pack, usually these can be safely charged at 1C, and they are minimum around 2000 milliamp hour. So 1C is about 2 amp safely charged at 2 amp, and they're connected in series. So you can still safely charge them at 2 amp, because series only increase the voltage, it doesn't increase the amp. So you can safely charge this at 1C, which is 2 amp. This is less than 2 amp, so it should be safe enough to connect directly to the battery. Okay, so let's solder this in here, and let's try to charge the battery pack. I'm done here. So the positive wire go to the, you see the shape of the connector, it looks like a bullet shape. So this one side is square, the other side is like round, sort of round shape. So the square side go to the positive wire, the round side go to the negative wire. Okay, and that is the male connector that goes to the charger. So let me plug it in, see what we got. Positive. Let's see how many volts we got. 8.44. Okay, same things. Now I have a 2S 2P battery packs. This is a homemade, I made by myself, by the way. Just for lithium-ion 18650 batteries, and they are in 2S, two in parallel, and then they are connected in series. 2S 2P, and they are around, they are 4.2 each, so 8.4 volts max. Let's see what we got right now. They're at 8.03 volts, so that's about, I'd say about 85-90% full. Let's plug in my battery and see what's up. Okay, so positive, it's gonna be like that. So you can see here, positive wire go to the positive of the charger. Okay, plug it in, no smoke, and let's see the voltage. What's the voltage of my battery pack right now? You see here, 8.33. So before I plug it in, it was around 8.02, around 8 volts. Now it's 8.33 and it's rising. It's 8.34. So it should be charging right now, and it will stop at 8.4 volts. So that will be perfectly made for these battery 2S lithium-ion battery packs. And this method only works for 2S lithium-ion battery packs only. Does not work with a single lithium-ion battery, or 3 in series, or 3S or 4S. Only in 2S battery packs. And this is from this charger is from a Camcorder. So most Camcorder use a 2S battery pack. So if you have a Camcorder use a 2S battery pack, you can use this charger to charge these, no problem. Most camera, however, use a single lithium-ion battery, so they are usually 1S or around 4.2 volts, between 3.7 and 4.2, and it's not going to be able to charge these. And you can make a single lithium-ion battery 1S charger out of a camera battery charger, but for a Camcorder, most of them are 2S. You can use it to charge a 2S battery packs. Alright folks, and that is all I have for now, and I will see you next time.